Hi, how are you? I'm here today with my friend Rafael Santoni, who is the... Say it. You can say it.
I'm the president and founder of the Tesla Owners South Florida Club.
And obviously, he has a Tesla.
Yeah, that's my 2020 Tesla Model 3 Performance Edition.
So this one is a little bit modified, right?
It is. It is. Tesla doesn't make this color. This is actually a vinyl wrap.
Oh, really?
And it
wow.
looks like paint, but it's vinyl. And I like the purple, so I wrapped it in purple. Car has a few modifications, including suspension is lowered. I have other custom wheels that I have at home right now, but yeah, I'm always hanging out and driving around.
Wow, interesting. So let's come here because we have some package. It says made in China. Tesla is made in China now too.
They have
a factory, but I think it's shut down because of COVID right now.
They're actually on limited production.
Yeah.
They're ramping up next week.
Yeah.
Going into probably full production in the next 2 weeks.
So let's see what we have here.
Okay.
The wrong brand. That's a Toyota Tundra knife, but it serves the purpose.
Let's see if it doesn't catch fire. So let's see what we got here. So, oh, this is sharp.
I know, super sharp. Be careful.
Okay. See what we got here. I think we're good with that.
A Tesla.
So something for the Tesla. Let's see. Let's take it out.
Oh, good packaging.
All right. Let's put this down here. Rear view mirror dash cam.
Oh, that's the wrong package. Let me bring the other package.
Wireless rear camera. Okay, so definitely the wrong package because we're expecting something else, but this is like a mirror, rear view mirror, 1080p. So it has a camera and a mirror, so you can display it.
That's good.
It looks good. I don't need it because my car has 8 cameras around, and I can pull it up on the screen.
This looks like a Tesla at the beginning, but it's not a Tesla either.
It does. It's just a car. Okay,
so here's the other package.
Here's the other one. Okay, let's see. Put it on that. Okay, so let's rip this off. I think maybe
you don't need the knife.
Maybe we wouldn't need the knife. Yeah, we don't need the knife. Okay. Oh, nice. This is a fancy bag. Made in China.
Looks like my headphones bag.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we got here.
But it doesn't say anything. That's weird.
It doesn't say anything. Oh, okay.
No instructions.
Okay, so
wait. Oh, here's a little thing.
Let's see what this is. This is just the manifest. It says, let's see, jackpot pucks. That's what we have. So
Basenor Tesla Model 3.
Yeah, Model 3, Y, S, and X. So basically, all the current Tesla models can be used on them. So let me explain what this is.
One thing about any company trying to sell something, and you put it like this, you don't know what it is.
Yeah,
so
it could be headphones.
You should put a little box, a little label at least, explaining what it is. Because, I mean, obviously you order it online and you know what it is. But as a presentation, it could be better, I think.
Yeah, it could be.
So what is this for then?
So let me explain what this is. This is a nice place for that. So these things, if you look at them from the bottom, they look like hockey pucks. It basically,
they're not very heavy.
Yeah, this is basically a hockey puck, but it has this little protrusion here. So what this does is that because Teslas have a specific place where you have to put your jack if you're going to lift the car, basically what this does is that this inserts in the area where you have to lift the car, and then it gives a better, wider place for the jack to lift the car. So
but why would you need to lift a Tesla? Because basically the electric cars have very little maintenance to do, right? Like no oil change, obviously, no transmission,
right?
No oil. Why would you need to lift the tire? Obviously to a flat tire, maybe.
Well, for flat tires, and also, for example, I do my own tire rotations at home. So when I'm going to rotate my tires, I have 2 sets of wheels also.
How many miles apart rotation?
It really depends. What I do is that I monitor the tread on the tire, and if they're beginning to be different.
But about what, 5,000-10,000 miles?
That's kind of around 6,000 miles when I actually take a look at them and measure the tread. I have a tread reader, and if I see that there's more wear on the back than the front, then I rotate. I put the front wheels on the back.
But no oil changes.
No oil changes, none of that stuff. So basically maintenance free.
Okay.
Actually, not basically. It is maintenance
maintenance free.
Like, you don't really have to do anything.
Brakes.
Brakes, I hardly use them because the
The auto brake.
the car slows down with the motor, so it's called regeneration braking.
Yeah. Like KERS, like Formula One, kinetic energy
Exactly.
recovery system.
Exactly, just like the KERS. So what this does is that you can you insert this at the bottom of the car in a specific place, and then you put the jack under that, and that's how you lift the car.
Let's see.
So what you need to do is that you look for the little hole that's down here, and you insert it like right there, and that stays in place, so you can put your jack underneath and then push the car up. Basically, the kit comes with 4. In reality, you only lift like one corner at a time.
Yeah, so.
But it has 4 because you can use more than one jack if you want.
Oh, I see.
But these cars are so rigid that in theory, if you want to work with the left side of the car, you put this on the rear hole, and then when you lift the car from that corner, the entire side goes up.
Oh, wow.
Because they are so stiff that there's really no need to...
And that's because of the structure of the chassis and the battery.
Exactly. So instead of going here, we would go to this side here, where you have exactly the same thing. So now we're on the back of the car, and there's another one, and you just put it on that side, and that's how it stays. That allows you to put the jack right underneath the car on that corner, and then you can push it up, and the entire side comes up.
So this car, you said, is modified also in the suspension, so it's lower than the normal. How much lower?
This car, my car is about 1.5 inches lower than original.
Wow, that's a lot. So the jack doesn't fit there.
A jack usually doesn't fit. I have a very low profile jack that I can use with the car, and that allows me, it's very tight to use these hockey pucks with my jack because the car is so lowered, but I can use it. I prefer not to because I just need to be careful so that I can lift the car from around that hole. It has enough room.
Without the puck.
Yeah, without the puck. But this is great for do-it-yourselfers, so anyone that can do all the basic maintenance like that on the car. Also, people like to sometimes, we love our cars, and sometimes we want to clean them on the bottom, right? So we can lift the car and get in there. Some people lift the car to remove the wheels so they can clean inside the fender wells. So that's another reason why some people may purchase that. I always advise people to buy this, even if they are not do-it-yourselfers. Because what this allows you, if you have this in your car and you have an emergency where you have to call a tow truck and they don't have something like that, you risk them damaging the bottom of your car. So this ensures that whoever's gonna come and help you with it can use this to lift your car.
So in that kind of emergency, you will just put them up, and then you let the tow truck guy pull the car up and move it.
Exactly. So in the case that the car needs to be lifted by one of the corners, at least you have this and you can give it to them so that they don't damage your car on the bottom. But usually if there's an emergency where they have to tow your car, what you do is you put it in tow mode, which puts basically the car in neutral. And there's a tow hook that goes in the front here. There's an opening here. You remove this, and inside the front trunk there's a tow hook so they can pull it on a flatbed. These cars, you should never use a regular tow truck. You should always use a flatbed.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, because they cannot lift it by the wheels. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they are all-wheel drive, so you don't want to be dragging the car also on the road. So big. Okay.
And again, where can we find about the club and all the stuff that you do, and how can people support your club too?
So if you are a Tesla owner and an EV enthusiast, you can hit our website, which is for the Tesla Owners South Florida Club. The website address is teslaclubsouthflorida.com. You can, if you have a Tesla and you want to join the club, for now it's free. So you just fill out the registration form, and we will let you know whenever we are doing an event. All right. So I'll see you soon. All right.